If you are installing a new thermostat and need to flip the breaker for your HVAC system, but the breaker panel is confusing with more listed circuits than actual fuses, you're definitely not alone in this mess. First off, unplug your furnace from the power source if it has a plug. That's the safest move before touching anything. Next, look for a breaker labeled something like HVAC, furnace, or air handler. Sometimes the label can be off or handwritten, so check carefully. If there are more circuit descriptions than breakers, some circuits might be combined or mislabeled, which happens all the time in older homes. Flip the breaker that seems closest to HVAC or furnace power, then test to see if the power is off by trying to turn on the furnace or air conditioner. If power is still on, flip breakers one by one until the unit shuts down. Just remember to keep track so you can turn them back on after. Never try to work on your thermostat or HVAC system while it's powered. Safety first. And if you're not sure, calling an electrician to help identify the right breaker could save you headaches. Lastly, after installing the thermostat, double-check everything is working smoothly before sealing up the panel. One of the biggest mistakes people make when flipping breakers for HVAC systems is guessing which one controls the furnace without proper labeling. This can cause electrical hazards or damage to equipment. Fix this by clearly labeling your breaker panel once you figure it out. Another common problem is not turning off power completely before starting installation, which is dangerous and can lead to shocks. Always unplug the furnace or confirm breakers are off with a tester. A third mistake is ignoring old or faulty breakers that trip frequently or don't shut off power fully. Replacing these breakers ensures your HVAC system and thermostat work safely and reliably. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know how to handle HVAC jobs and other home improvements. Plus, it helps contractors get work by connecting them with people who need their services, making home projects way less stressful.